Art friends, follow these steps to grow faster on social media, and you can even start from zero. And stay tuned to the end to find out how this actually works and why. I call this the 5-5-5-1-2-1-2 method. And here's what you do. There's one main ground rule here. You need to set aside 20 minutes a day to do this just like a workout. And you need to stay in that session on the app for at least 20 minutes, meaning you're not going to leave the app or accidentally fall down random rabbit holes that you see in your feed. Think of it like a 20-minute workout to help grow your social following. First, the first 5 of the 5-5-5-1-2-1-2 method is you need to choose 5 strategic hashtags or topics within your niche to follow on the platform of your choice. You want to make sure that the tags are relevant, but also have enough daily activity in them, because each day you want to have fresh content to engage with. In my case, and I like to suggest using tags with over 1 million posts in them, or at least 6 figures. Occasionally I'll dip into smaller hashtags, but keep your core 5 with tags that have a lot of content in them. And of course, based upon your niche topic that you're in or the style of art that you do. All right, the second 5 in the 5-5-5-1-2-1-2 method is you need to engage with the 5 most recent posts in those topics. And if for some reason you can't sort it by most recent, you just need to scan through that topic and find the most recent posts. It's better if something was posted today, and it's even better if it was posted within the last 30 minutes. And engage means that you're going to like and comment on that post, and you're going to comment something nice. Avoid spammy copy-paste nonsense. Remember, this should be a topic that you're passionate about or that you're making art for, so you should have something really nice to say about the topics that you're following. That's how you're staying authentic. So I'm sure you should be able to find something nice to say or encouraging. And one important note, do not follow those accounts yet in this stage. We'll get to that topic in a minute. All told, when you do this with all 5 topics, you're going to be interacting with 25 posts in this session. Got it? The third 5 in the 5-5-5 method is you want to engage with 5 posts that are in your feed. Now, this can be people that you're already following, or it can be posts that the platforms are suggesting to you. However, you want to be sure that the post that you're engaging with aligns with your 5 topics. Don't just start liking posts of random people dancing around in bikinis. I mean, come on, guys. Stay on target. Okay, so you've covered the 5-5-5. Now on to the 1-2-1-2. 1-2. The first one is you're going to post your one post. Yes, you're not scheduling in advance. You're going to post your post live in that session. And it can be a static piece of art or a short video. Video's a lot better. And you should have these batched somewhere and ready to go. You don't need to worry about what tags you're using on the post. It's more important these days to write something meaningful about that post in the comments or description of the post. That's totally up to you what you want to say, but for artists, it might be something about the meaning behind the art or what you were feeling when you made it that day. The inspiration behind the piece, you get the idea. Now the first 2, you're going to follow 2 interesting accounts based on what you've just looked through. Do you recall something that you saw that you thought about following? Now it's time to go back and find it and follow that account. Trust me, there's a specific reason to do this in this stage. I explained it in the longer video. It all makes sense. Okay, and now the other one in the 1-2-1-2. Start at least one conversation in DMs. Now I know that this is the part that a lot of artists don't want to do, but by this time in your session, you might actually already see some fresh followers. So it's as easy as just DMing them and thanking them for following you, and maybe asking an engaging question. What made them follow your account? Is there a piece of art that they like the best? What would they like to see more of from you? When I do this, I'm always pretty delighted at the conversations that start up from this step. And it's also made some artists that I've talked to actually subscribe to my daily drawing club because they just kind of want to be a part of it and they can feel that I'm being real. I'm a real person that's contacting them. And now they really want to be a part of what we have going on here. And the last step in the recipe is you're going to save or share at least 2 posts based on what you've seen in this session. Remember, don't do it while you're doing the first steps. Make sure that you just kind of keep a mental note or something and go back and find it. There's a reason that this works. And I've been asked that I'm going to record a full session of me going through this process in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. Just like any good workout, if you stick to the formula, you will see results. You're probably going to see results pretty quickly. Believe me, there's a method to this recipe that actually works. I explain it in great detail in the longer video here. You can watch it right on the channel. Hopefully it's floating here. If it's not, just check the channel. I promise you that it's there. Now go grow on your socials, and I'll see you back here in the next video.